Let's take a look at some literal equations, aka formulas. Literal equations have more than one variable, and sometimes we need to rearrange these formulas for certain letters. So that's what we're going to look at now. Let's do, for example, we have the area of a rectangle, which is length times width. So that is the area, the formula for the area of a rectangle. Sometimes, in certain cases, we need to solve this formula for the letter L. Solve for L. So that means you need to get L by itself. You have to check and see what is associated or what is the whole term that involves the L. We have L times W. To move the W to the other side to isolate the L, we have multiplication here, we have to divide. We divide both sides by W, and off we go. L equals A over W would be our formula in terms of L. Let's take a look at another one. You will see those when you are looking at graphing y equals mx plus b. So here I have 3x minus 4y equals 8. When you have to find the slope and the y-intercept, you will encounter these type of equations with two variables, and we want to solve for y. So isolate the y. You want to get y by itself. That means the 3x has to go to the other side of the equal sign. We have positive 3x. To bring it to the other side, we're subtracting. That leaves me on the left-hand side with negative 4y. And on the right-hand side, please write the x term first. That way you get used to y equals mx plus b in the next chapter, which is negative 3x plus 8. Now what? How do you get y by itself? Well, again, this says negative 4 times y. We need to divide by negative 4, and I would strongly encourage you to write it like that, meaning each term on the right-hand side, write it over negative 4, because now you can easily see what can be reduced. Negative 4 over negative 4 is 1y, or y equals, pay attention to signs, negative 3 divided by negative 4 will change into positive and leave it as a fraction, 3/4 x. 8 divided by negative 4 is a negative 2. So here we go. We just solved our equation with two variables for y, and we got 3/4 x minus 2, which will definitely help you out when you have to find the slope and the y-intercept of a line.